Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Abin, one of NEFX. Today we're doing Egan-rac by Kevin Simson from January 11th, 1996. We'll see how this one is. Looks like, unlike the last Kevin Simson level, this one will work, but we'll see. Could well crash about in the middle. So far this looks pretty interesting. Actually, it looks in some ways like a precursor to some of the more modern levels we've come to know and love. Like, it's not quite the same, but has some common elements. Like, it kind of foreshadows things that would come to be more dominant in a lot of marathon map architecture. Like these spiral staircases and a sort of divided wall, set of walls with gaps in the middle. I wouldn't be surprised if Windbreaker secretly took inspiration from this map, because there's some things in his maps that are in here, but I'm not saying it ripped him off. Even if he took inspiration, it's what he makes is generally better, but it's pretty interesting too. Looks like there's like a bunch of different ideas going on at once, kind of thrown together in one general space. Some of these spots might be a little overly large and spacious, but there's something to them. What's this switch do? Okay, elevator. Damn it. What else do I have to explore in here? Looks like that's about all of it. Except maybe at the very top end of the map. North end. Huh, that's weird. Damn it. Alright, well, at least that's a free ride up top. So yeah, this is the part that I wasn't sure if I could fully explore it or not. I think that's everything, but maybe there's like a door or something at the bottom. Don't really have a means to explore right now because I'm dealing with this guy. Here we go. Yes. A secret with rockets. Okay, well, that's it for this map. Let's see, what else do we have here? We'll do one more for today. We have Water Spot, something like that, by Laurent Stanevich. Water Sports, okay. Look at that. Maybe while I'm at it, I'll take the time to test the physics without the bots. But it looks like this can stand on its own still. I like the idea of a water column. I've used stuff like that before. I'd like to make at least one more map that uses it in a more prominent fashion. See how far up I can get. At least how far up I can get without being killed. There's bound to be something in one of these columns, like at the very tip top or something. Now it takes a long time to fall back down so I can respawn. What the hell was that? Where are the weapons? And I see where they are. I guess I just have to like climb up to get them. But I can't do it this way. Anything here in the central column? This is like my safest. I know it's not safe. I thought it'd be safe enough. But it seems like a shotgun was able to shoot through to me. Did I pick something up? They can shoot through, but I can't. I got one kill. Oops. Man, so much of this level is just falling. If I were to do this over again, I think I'd do a better job, but as it is, I just can't get hold of anything because it's so hard to get access to any of these weapons, and the only way I can do that involves me being so vulnerable. There's this at least. Alright, well that's it for today. Next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will play... Actually, wait. Before I do that, let me just see what the physics... Actually, am I able to get to that? Do I have it in here? Okay, I do, yep. Yeah, I guess conflict shapes will do. Let's just see what happens. Okay. Yeah, I figured it's something like that you could fire from inside. Makes a lot more sense. Oops, I got stuck down here. Hang on. Let's try that again. That didn't work. Let's try with the assault rifle or something instead. With a shotgun. Where is an assault rifle? There it is. No, I can't reach it. The fusion pistol work? Well, I can't reach that either. Try the shotguns down here. Okay, that kind of works. Alright, I guess that's basically it. There it is. Okay. Alright, so next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will go play Flood 1.0 B2 by Randy Reddick. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.